In this video, you will learn an Excel trick to highlight unique values in a list. So this is the list. My objective is to highlight all unique values. So like F2 autos appears more than once. So here also. So as a first step, I will type a formula in cell D1. I am going to count if. Count if I am going to give the full range to here. And I am going to fix this by pressing function key F4 so that it will be a fixed range. And then selecting the first cell in column C. So C1. So I'm closing this, entering. So what I'm trying to do is counting the value of BN plastics in this range C1 to C2. In this entire range, count BN plastics. So that is what it does. And if I copy this formula to the next cell, see here, this is a fixed range, but this is not fixed. So when I copy this to here, so this remains the same, but this changes from C1 to C2 when it goes to the, when I copy this to the next row, C2. When I copy this to the next cell, this changes to C3. So that means it is here in this formula, it is counting Compton Petroleum in this entire list. So like that, if I double click, it will copy all the formulas. So wherever it is unique, the count will be 1. So Air Canada is 1, Compton Petrol is 1, whereas F2 Autos is 2, WBC Pipes is 3. So this is the formula which I mean. So I will use the same formula to add a conditional formatting. So first I will click on this BN plastics. So before that I will copy this formula in cell D1. Control C. Click on this cell. Click on this conditional formatting. Click on new rule. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. So here I'll say equal to bracket close. Now I will paste the formula which I copied earlier. So say paste this formula. So it should be a condition. So count if C1 to C26 fixed comma C1 that is equal to 1. That means I'm trying to identify the unique values in this list. So equal to 1. So he equal to 1 is the unique ones. So equal to 1. I'm going to click on format button. I'm saying fill with yellow color. Font should be bold. Font color should be blue. Okay. Okay. So BN plastics got highlighted, got formatted because its count is 1. Now I can copy this formula in multiple ways. Like first is that click on this, use the format painter, and I will paste the format here. So wherever it is 2, it is not highlighted. F2 autos, X1 mobile is 2, 3. Wherever it is, the count is 1. It highlighted. So another way is that if you look at this formula, so now click on this cell, click on conditional manage rules. So when I copied the format, applies to automatically change from C1 to C27. See, so instead of copying the format, you can click on this applies to and select the full range to apply the conditional formatting to all rows. So both ways you can do. And now we don't need this. This is just for showing you the formula. It is not, the condition formatting is not dependent on this. So this is how we highlight unique values in a list using conditional formatting.
That's it for now. Thanks for watching this video. Please click on like button if you find the information I shared useful, and update comments. Also, please subscribe to my channel to get notified about new videos which I will post in future.